Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Motanif and I would like to tell you or introduce you about introduction of CISCO. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is open the application of CISCO Packet Tracer. But if you don't have the application, you can download it at Network Academy at website. Okay, so let's open the CISCO Packet Tracer. Wait. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to do in CISCO Packet Tracer. That is, you can go to the network device and then add one router with number 1841. Just click it and editing it. Okay, so this is how to configure. So just click the router and then go to the CLI menu. And then if you see this text, you can just click enter. And then after you click enter, you can type enable like this. And then you can click on your configuration like this. Okay, so this is the first, that is the user mode. The second with hashtag, that is the privilege mode, and this the last one is the configuration mode. The next tutorial that I want to show, that is the message of the day or MLTD banner. Okay, so the first step that oh no, but before that, the function of the message of the day is for when you want to remoting the router or the switch, there will be a text that uh, the text that show in the router like a greeting from the router. Okay, now I'm going to show it. The first thing that is you have to do, the first just type the sentence banner MOTD and underscore like this, and then you can click enter. After that, you can type. Now we're going to practice about how to change the host name. So the first thing that you have to do is just type the host name word like this, host name, and then you can type your own name that you want. Like maybe I want to name it by my name, like like this, and then you can click enter after this. Now the host name is changing to the Hanif. Okay, now you can type your own word or sentence that you want. The example like this. Welcome, my master. And then you can end it with the character with underscore like this. And then you can click enter again. If you want to see this message of the day, you can exit from the configuration mode and then click enter again, and then type exit again, and then enter again. So you can see the message of the day that I wrote before. You can type. So the next tutorial that is how to make password in the router. So you have to get into the configuration mode again. You can click and or enable. Then you can click or write or type conf like this. And then after you enter the configuration mode, you can type enable uh, password, and then the word that you want, like this. And then after you click on this, you can type service password trip, and Previous and then just click enter. Okay. Okay. After you after you turn on the router and PC, you can type IP add 192, 168, 110, 10, and 1, and don't forget to do subnet maps. And use the prefix 24, and then you can click enter, and then you can click end this. And then you can click enter again. After that, you can click command of E. And then you can type right for saving the configuration of the previous. Then you can exit from the configuration mode, click enter again, and then you can click right or save the configuration. Okay. After that, you have to add the IP address at the desktop and then go to IP configuration from the PC. The IP configuration is static, and then the IP address is 168 1.2 because 1.1 is have been used for the router. Don't forget for the subnet mask, and the default gateway is with the IP address router. Then like this, and that's all. Then you can try to give them ping, and then you can try to do ping. You can see the uh, with the name mail sign, and then you can click from the router to the PC. This okay. Okay. Okay, so maybe that's all. I hope you can get the benefit from this video, and thanks for your attention, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.